Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Deacon aka Ediko aka Queen of DIYs. Please make sure that you're subscribed to the channel because we are one big happy family here. Click on the notification bell so you're notified every single time that I post the video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning back in. I appreciate you so much. And in today's video we are going to be making a carrot cream, and it's one that I have done before on this channel. I've done a carrot body butter, but I've never gotten around to making a carrot cream. So here is a carrot cream, and yeah, this is going to be a very potent formula. It's like the best carrot cream formula that I have so far, or recipe as you guys call it, that I have so far. So definitely stay tuned as we get through this. And yeah, please give this video a thumbs up, and without further ado, let's get into making this carrot cream. So first of all, let's go over the list of ingredients that we would need for this formula. So I got around to select the best ingredients that are less controversial and would work with a lot of skin types. So generally ingredients that are safer and less risks for different skin types. Hence why I chose them for this particular formula, because we're trying to get a very potent carrot cream for all skin types. So first ingredient I have here is my carrot juice extracted from fresh carrots, and also mango butter. I choose this butter because it's just less controversial, and yeah, and also our carrot oil and ewax, and also our carrot extracts that we made on this channel. If you haven't seen that, definitely check that out. It's very easy to make. I will link it somewhere in this video. And also aloe vera gel, which is a powerful humectant for the skin, and here I'm using 100% aloe vera gel. And also an essential oil, and here I'm still using carrot essential oil because we are all carrots in this video. So next is our preservative, because we need to preserve this. So now I'm just going to get a bowl and a wicks that I'm going to work with. And now I wanted to talk to you guys about this wicks. It's like a very easy and useful kitchen wicks. If you don't have this, you can still use your normal egg wicks or kitchen wicks, I don't know, but it all works well. But this one was just a very easy and fast way. It's almost like a mini blender, and also you're gonna need a spatula or a spoon of some sort to scrape things. So first I'm going to go in with my aloe vera gel, and here I'm using everything in the pack, which was 100 ml aloe vera gel. So aloe vera is a very powerful humectant for the skin. It just moisturizes your skin a lot better and keeps your skin hydrated and moisturized for longer hours. So yeah, hence why I opted for aloe vera. And yeah, now that we have our aloe vera, I'm going to go in with our carrot juice. And like I said, this is just juice extracted from carrots. And then I'm going to go in with my wicks, and I'm just going to start stirring things up. So now this wicks, I really love it. If you can get your hands on it, I feel like it's going to make making stuff just easier for you, because even if you can't get your hand on an immersion blender, I think this will work as well for making lotions and all of that. So if you're on a budget or something like that, or you just want something fast and easy to use to make stuff, then this wicks is a very good option. And yeah, so now I'm going in with my mango butter, and like I said, I was just choosing things that are less risks. So here mango butter is just like a very accommodating and forgiving butter for all skin types. You can use whichever butter of choice that likes your skin. You can go for avocado butter, you can go for any type of butter, shea butter, but I did not use shea butter here because A lot of people complain about shea butter, so I was just trying to stay away from that. Not that there's anything wrong with it. So now I'm going in with my ewax, and this is what turns it into a cream form. So this process here is called emulsification. When you add your ewax, it just helps to bind oils and water together. So yeah, I just went in with my ewax, and now I'm going in with my carrot oil. And guys, I found a very potent and like the best method basically to make carrot oil. I'm going to be posting an updated video for the best carrot oil you would ever make. So yeah, that's coming up soon, keep your fingers crossed. So now I'm just going in with my carrot extract after stirring for a while. And like I said, the video for this, for how to achieve this extract, is on this channel. Do not sleep on it, it's a very useful one. So after adding the extract, I'm just gonna stir or whisk away. So now I'm going in with the preservative, and I'm just adding I'll leave all the measurements in the description bar so you can check that out. And also I'm also going in with my carrot seed essential oil. You can add other essential oil of choice that you personally like, totally optional. So I'm just whisking away again. So it is important to mix things thoroughly, especially since we're doing things manually without an immersion blender. So mixing is very important. So here I'm just letting you guys check out the texture. The viscosity is very supple and smooth. And as I'm doing this voiceover, I literally have this on my skin, and it's like the best and most moisturizing carrot cream ever. So you definitely love, I promise. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys what the texture looks like, and I'm just bringing it up close so you can see how luscious that looks. It's just a very smooth butter. It applies even better on the skin, and yeah, it's just a potent carrot body cream. It is gonna work for all skin types, and you can always tweak any of these ingredients to what works best for you, like the butters, like the oils and whatnot. So yeah, now I'm just going to transfer our now carrot cream into a storage container, and you guys look at that cream. I mean, it's giving me texture, it's giving me glowy skin, is giving supple vibes. I mean, it's just giving everything. So yeah, that's it for our carrot cream, and yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you're subscribed. If you're not, thumbs up this video, drop a comment down below. I have a lot more videos coming up for you guys, so keep your eye out for that. And yeah, you can also look up other videos on this channel, as I do have a lot more. And as usual, I wish you guys a perfect and beautiful skin. Mwah.